Meanwhile, Cricket West Indies has congratulated Stephanie Taylor, who on Wednesday became the first West Indies women's player to score 3,000 runs in T20 internationals. The outstanding all-rounder reached the milestone in her 103rd innings during the second T20 international against England at the Incora County Ground in Derby. She scored 28 and now has 3,020 runs at an average of 36 runs per innings. She's also the leading West Indies woman in one-day internationals with 4,724 runs, an average at over 44. Speaking on behalf of Cricket West Indies, Jamaica's Jimmy Adams, director of cricket, lauded Taylor for her brilliance over a career which began in 2008 against Ireland in Dublin. He said the 29-year-old has again etched her name in history's pages and continues to be a role model and leader in West Indies cricket. Taylor's teammates also reacted to her achievement.
Skip, congratulations on reaching this milestone of 3,000 T20 runs. Keep up the good work, champ.
Congrats, Bud, on reaching a milestone of 3,000 T20 runs. I know there's a lot more in the back to come. Just keep being that positive and influential motivator that you are and a role model to us all.
Congrats, Skip, on your 3,000 T20 runs, and here's to wishing you many more.
Congratulations, Skip, on reaching this milestone.
Congratulations, Skip, on reaching this milestone.
Congratulations, Skip, on reaching this magnificent milestone of 3,000 T20